guys, we are going to dye some roses. As you can see, our climbing roses have gone ape and they're looking gorgeous, and we've got some white ones. So I thought that we could dye some of these. I've never done it before, but surely it won't be that hard. So we'll grab a few roses and then we'll go inside and we'll dye them. Okay, these are very spiky. So let's go inside. We've got some rose pink colour, and we've got some blue watercolour, and I want to do a blue one and I want to do a purple one. So we're going to mix these two and hopefully make purple. So first of all, we're going to strip all these leaves off, and then we're going to cut the stem so that it absorbs more water. Okay, there we go. So it's now kind of split in half, as you can see. And first we're going to do the dye. About a teaspoon-ish down the bottom without spilling it. And then we're going to put a little bit in this one as well and make purple. Okay, we're going to half fill them, I think, with water. I'm very excited about the purple. I've seen purple flowers. We don't have any purple roses, and I think they're gorgeous. And then we're going to take our little rose, stick them in, and in 24 hours they're going to change colour. So we'll see how how it progresses as we go. So we've got purple, blue, and I did a green one as well, and that's already turning. So we'll see what happens. So it's been about 21 hours, and this is our purple one. He probably didn't work the best, but he's still my favourite. He's so cute. If we wanted it to be more purple, we'd put more pink or red in it. And then we got the blue. The blue worked out well. And the green. So that's what happened. I think we're going to try some daisies too. But look at him. He's like, he doesn't even look real. He's dying. And he's probably a bit too old. But he's gorgeous. So it worked. Yay. So I've done some roses dyed in food colouring, and now I'm going to dye some daisies. We've done the same as last time. We just cut down the stem. I'm going to stick them in. Look what Mum's doing over here. She's cutting the stem for me because she loves me. That's what you think. Stick him in, then another one. And what is a kitchen without Vegemite? Beautiful. So let's see what happens. Woo! Bow. Didn't really work. Oh, you know, close up it looks okay, but it's not enough to be effective, so don't bother with daisies.